Copyright complaint, counter notice. Copyright complaint, counter notice. What in the world am I talking about? If you're an Amazon seller and you received a copyright complaint, you have every right to employ the tools under the Digital Millennium Copyright Act and file what's called a counter notice. It is a legal document. We do these documents every single week, and what you're basically saying to that copyright complainant is put up or shut up. I didn't violate your rights, and if you think I did, take me to court and prove it. So why would you ever dare anybody to take you to court? Well, once you file a counter notice, if that brand, that company, that seller doesn't file a lawsuit, the copyright complaint comes off your account and you get your business back. So when should you do this? You should do it, one, when you're not violating anybody's copyright interests, or number two, you're confident they're actually never going to sue you. And in those scenarios, counter notices are a great tool at every third-party seller's disposal if you receive a copyright complaint. If you want to learn more about copyright law, as it specifically pertains to you, the Amazon seller, here's the greatest book in the history of copyright books. Copyright Law, Amazon Seller's Guide to Copyright Law. We took copyright law and whittled it down to what you need to know as an Amazon seller.